What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sender AI token. Ticker symbol is ASI. Do not get this confused with the meme coin Sendor. That is spelled S-E-N-D-O-R, and that is a big blue jacked meme character. I think it's a Matt Fury character meme coin. This is Sender AI, totally different project, not a meme coin. It says Sender AI, the AI protocol designed to power the intent-centric vision of Web3 and accelerate the worldwide adoption of consumer crypto. And this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 21st, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the Sender AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their their Explorer at nearblocks.io. And it says so far, it says 22 holders. It doesn't look like this token is really available yet until tomorrow. And it says here that they have 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. So it seems to be here on the Near blockchain. And you can find them on nearblocks.io. And they have a Telegram and a Twitter. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual at Sender_AI. 253,000 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, and almost 1,400 tweets. It says AI agents powering decentralized blockchain operations for Web3. And these AI agent tokens are pretty popular right now. So it says this token is going to be listed tomorrow, November 21st at 11 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ASI, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the Sender network is dedicated to building an innovative AI and Web3 integrated, AI-centric driven, decentralized transaction execution network that can lead the application of AI agents into the blockchain ecosystem architecture. Now, the network architecture is built on the OP stack and receives strong technical support from Near Protocol. Its core structure includes 2 key layers: the AI agent network communication layer and the modular blockchain application interaction layer, ultimately presenting users with a decentralized application network with low transaction barriers, high speed, and excellent experience. The AI foundation layer serves as the control center for the entire Sender network, providing a secure, highly scalable AI infrastructure that enables intelligent and efficient communication and collaboration between AI agents. Now, this layer integrates cutting-edge AI technology, efficient transaction path optimization algorithms, and smart contract execution mechanisms, creating an unprecedented, intelligent trading environment for users. Through AI-driven natural language interaction interfaces and intelligent intent parsing, Sender Network completely reshapes the user's transaction experience, making complex on-chain operations simple and intuitive. Now, the blockchain layer comprehensively applies the two principles of modularity and chain abstraction, fully utilizing the modular data availability, interoperability, and chain abstraction components provided by Near Protocol to ensure security, convenience, and decentralized nature of the Sender Network. Now, this layer also supports an innovative decentralized solver-free market, optimizing transaction execution through dynamic bidding mechanisms, demonstrating the revolutionary application of AI in resource allocation and market efficiency. Now, the ecosystem of Sender Network is a market exemplar of the integration of AI technology and blockchain applications. It not only provides users with good interactive experience, but most importantly, creates a liberalized market of AI agents. In this market, AI agents can autonomously provide services, compete for resources, and optimize transaction paths, truly realizing an intent-driven transaction model. This model allows users to simply express their transaction intentions, and AI agents automatically complete complex transaction logics, greatly improving transaction efficiency and user experience. By integrating ID authentication systems and AI large model autonomous learning systems, the behavior of AI agents is not only traceable, but statistical and can also achieve autonomous learning and optimization. Now, this mechanism not only improves the credibility of the network, but also provides developers with an innovation platform full of infinite possibilities for developing and deploying next-generation intelligent AI agents. Overall, through carefully designed AI-driven transaction experiences, intelligent intent parsing, dynamic resource allocation mechanisms, and seamlessly integrated chain abstraction technology, Sender Network is redefining the essence of blockchain transactions. It is not only a bridge connecting traditional users and the blockchain world, but also paving a new path for the next gen of decentralized finance and Web3 applications. Now, tokenomics-wise, before we wrap this video up here, ASI is the name of the token. Sender AI is the ticker symbol. Sender AI is the name of the token. ASI is the ticker symbol. Total supply, 1 billion tokens. I already mentioned that. But how the token is split up on the Near blockchain, it says 12% of the tokens go to marketing, 10% team and advisors, 5.2% airdrop, 4% staking, 2% exchange liquidity, 0.8% launch pad, 48% ecosystem incentive, and 18% investors. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.